Okay. Hello friends. In this video series, I will share the process of learning Scheme with you. And during these videos, I will also share some programming math that I accumulated during these working years in the IT industry. I hope you will enjoy it. I will try to publish a video every week. If you could spend about 10 minutes every week to see these videos, I'm sure your programming ability will make progress after a year. So, the first thing I want to tell you is that you must insist. You know that even you could know how to write a hello world program in any language in less than 2 hours, and you can spend 200 hours to learn how to write a hello world in 100 programming languages. But what you must is only one line hello world, right? So if you could spend the 200 hours to learn about features of one language and practice with it to handle some difficult problems, I'm sure you will get more than what you saw. Okay, let's talk about the main contents of these videos. As you can see, that there are Scheme, Emacs, and Git. All of them are great tools. Besides, I will talk something about the compiler, something about algorithm, and something about development measures, stuff like that. All of them will help you to improve your programming ability. You can see that Scheme is one. Okay. You can see that Scheme is one of the two main dialects of Lisp, which is the oldest programming language in the world. The other one is Common Lisp. If you want to ask why I chose Lisp Scheme, not Lisp or Common Lisp, because I think the important thing is the principle of them, not use them in the real world. The principle of them are almost the same. I think the Scheme is simpler and nicer, and it is suitable for education. But in the modern IT industry, they are not used as much as C or C++ or Java, Python. I think one of the reasons is they are not easy to debug, and the other one is they look not as easy as modern language. Okay, later I'll show you a small Scheme program. So why should we learn Scheme? Okay, Scheme is not a really functional programming, but it's more measured agnostic than that. Perhaps more to the point, Scheme is an excellent language to choose if you want to explore with different methods of computation. As an example, a highly parallel functional language, Tomate, was built on top of Scheme. Additionally, you can learn about a complete different style of computation, such as streams evaluation, laser evaluation, or even logic programming. You could also learn more about how computer programs in general are interpreted, from the basic in how program code is evaluated to more deeper aspects like making your own interpreter or compiler. Knowing this kind of information is what separates a good programmer from a great programmer. Okay, how to learn? Practice, sure. You have to do exercises to master something, no matter what it is. So one of the textbooks is have all of the textbooks have exercises in them, and they are very important. Oh yeah, the other thing is Emacs. Um, the developer editor we want to use is Emacs. We use it because it is written in Lisp, and we can configure it with this script called Emacs Lisp. Of course, there are many great features in Emacs, and we will discover them little by little. Okay, little by little. Remember what is the first thing to do? Insist. Yes. And the second thing is be patient. We want to use Emacs as a master after a year. Okay, we can't be a master in the first day, but after a year, you will be an advanced user. So just be patient. What to learn? SICP. Okay, SICP is an abbreviation of Structure and Interpretation of Computer Programs. It is considered the best textbook for Scheme. Before it is a textbook used in MIT. And there are many interesting exercises in this book. We will learn throughout this book and configure out all of the exercises and figure out all of the exercises together. Besides that, we will also talk about the related stuff about programming. For example, what is RU algorithm? What is Scrum development method? Okay. Installation. Okay, we want to use MIT Scheme 9.2. The version is 9.2. You can download it from the gnu.org. Okay, you can see here. You can see that you can download what matter your operation system is. You can download from here. If you use Mac, you can also install it with a Blue. It is very convenient. If you can see here from my Mac. You can search, you can update and install. Yeah, it's very convenient. Okay, the next thing is Emacs. You can install Emacs from here. Also, you can choose any of the operation system. I recommend to install the Emacs version is 24. It's fairly new, and we can configure it after we install it. Okay, let me try. You can see that 24.4. Oh, okay. It's a welcome message. No, it's very convenient. You can get help from this from here. Here. Okay, press Q. We can go to the scripts. So we can write any thing here. Hello world. Okay. Go to the first. Control A and Control E. Control A, Control K. Delete this line. So later I will show you the basic operation command of the Emacs later. Don't just be patient, okay? The next is sheet. Maybe it's already existed in your system. Let me take a quick check. Okay. Oh, okay. Our Git version is 2.0.1. Oh, you can also use the GUI version of Emacs or Git, it doesn't matter. Oh, let me show you a scheme. Oh, you can see here our scheme version is 9.2. I might right? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. In the next video, I will show you some basic operations of Emacs and Git, and we will write our first scheme program. Okay, here is our first video. I hope you like it. Thank you.